Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin kung ano yung energies for you ngayong full moon in Scorpio sa May 13, 2025 at 12:55 a.m. Philippine time. Ayan, so maaaring mas makaresonate dito yung mga Pisces rising. Although pwede pa rin naman makaresonate yung mga Pisces moon at Pisces sun. So for you Pisces, itong full moon is happening in your 9th house. 9th house is the house of travel, learning, higher learning. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, congratulations kasi graduation, no? Mag-graduate or meron kayong natapos na project or course, can be online course or kung ano yung mga studies ninyo, research ninyo, natapos na finally. Like example, term paper or yung mga reports, ganyan. Natapos na. So, some of you merong travel opportunities, or you might be going on an adventure. Like, for example, merong team building or may itatry ka na activity na can be an activity na matagal mo nang gustong gawin pero hindi mo pa natatry. So, you might be doing that. Also, meron tong opposition sa Sun, sa Uranus, in Taurus. Some of you might feel limited or parang merong nagbo-block sa inyo or something na hindi nyo magawa, hindi nyo ma-pursue because merong pumipigil sa'yo. This can be your situation or a person sa buhay mo. But meron ditong unexpected na event wherein maaring yung iba sa inyo magkaroon ng parang virality sa social media. Let's say, meron kang ginawang video, in-upload mo, tapos all of a sudden, sumikat, nag-viral. And this might open new opportunities for you, especially in travel or being famous, being known by a lot of people. Because meron tong positive aspect sa iyong first house, which is about yourself. North Node is also in your first house, as well as Saturn. So parang hinuhone ka rito no? Baga hinuhulma ka. Papunta doon sa kung saan ka mas mapapabuti or papunta sa destiny mo. Okay? Minsan mahirap maunawaan dahil minsan meron tayong plano para sa sarili natin, but we can't really plan so much like ahead, no? Super advanced kasi anything can happen. And may mga divine intervention na tinatawag. So for some of you, maaring magkaroon dito ng divine intervention doon sa mga gusto nyo i-pursue. Halimbawa, may plano kayo, ayun yung plano nyo, gusto nyo mag-abroad. Pero pala, hindi pala yon yung plano sa'yo ng Diyos. Plano pala sa'yo ng Diyos is magstay sa bansa kung saan ka nakatira at magnegosyo or may ibang gawin like to focus on your creativity, your talents, and eventually, doon ka mas mag-grow, 'di ba? But it doesn't mean na hindi na natin kailangan planuhin yung buhay natin kasi may iba palang plano. Hindi. We should always try yung ibang mga naiisip natin kasi it is also our higher self na nag-guide sa atin. But minsan rin, kailangan rin nating pakinggan or makita yung mga senyales na sinesend sa atin, pinapakita sa atin ng universe na to reassess the situation na baka hindi ka nga para doon, baka may ibang plano para sa iyo. What is the ninth house energy? The devil. Oh. The king of wands. The knight of wands. Okay, the devil is about obsession, pagiging focus on sa sarili in a negative way, or pagiging anong tawag dyan, selfish. Oo. So I think that this is something that you will release, yung mga bagay na alam mong self-serving lang sa'yo. Maaring ngayon mas iniisip mo na yung kapakanan ng ibang tao aside from what you really want. What is the third house energy? The Emperor, High Priestess. Okay. So, maari kasing may mga sitwasyon or tao ka na sinisisi dahil may mga plano ka na hindi natupad, hindi nangyari dahil sa kanila. But always remember, kung hindi siya nangyayari, it means it's not meant for you. And the good thing is, kung meron tayong gusto mangyari sa buhay natin, we also have the power na to make things happen for ourselves. Kaya nga siya sinasabi na hindi nangyayari kasi maaring wala kang ginagawang action. At kung hindi man siya nangyayari kahit may ginagawa kang action, ibig sabihin it's not meant for you. But it doesn't mean na hindi ka nagagawa ng action. 'Di ba? You get my point. So this is you taking control of your life. Taking control of your plans. Na yes, may mga plano ka, may mga gusto kang mangyari, but kailangan mong maging tahimik na kumikilos para sa pangarap mo na yan. Hindi mo kailangan ng ipagsabi yung mga plano mo kasi minsan habang pinagsasabi mo, may mga kumukontra, 'di ba? You have the Five of Wands. I see you becoming more competitive and at the same time, hinihintay mo rin yung alam mong para sa'yo. You are also patient. Patiently waiting for your turn. You are patiently waiting sa iyong big break. What do you need to release? Release anything that is no longer serving you. Alam mong hindi nakakabuti sa'yo. Don't let your past hold you back and focus on your future. Kasi minsan hindi tayo nakaka-move on kasi laging iniisip natin yung nangyari sa past. So focus on moving on para mas madali kang makarating doon sa destination mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.